then you can place it to right position. That's it. And now we have the fit, all fits. Great. So from now I'm gonna show very briefly how to use the bitmap image as a material source. So let's start. I'm gonna use material editor to apply material. So in this case, I'm gonna use also V-Ray material. So okay. So actually, the first edit material slot will be the wood veneer. So wood panel. Okay. So before applying the bitmap image, actually I'm gonna apply this material for this wood panel, wood veneer material for all objects that needs this material. So legs, also wood veneer panel, and the front frame and top plate and bottom plate, right? Those that all parts need same material. So before making the bitmap image material source, I applied this material slots for all parts that need wood material. So then we can assign the bitmap image in this material slot, and then if you click this assign material to selection, that bitmap image material goes directly to all parts that you already applied material. Okay, so let's go to this. I'm not gonna change the color. Okay, I'm gonna click this empty rectangle, and then you can see the bitmap here. Double click, and then you can specify the location of image. Okay, and then you will see this bitmap image. And then let's double click. Alright, now you have this wood veneer image. Alright, and then let's assign. Alright, and then click this show standard map in viewport. Alright, now you have the wood veneer panel. Alright, then actually you can also adjust the texture. For example, you can enlarge this wood grain, right? So for that, actually, let's go select this top panel, and then let's go to modify a list, and then you will find UVW map. So type U, and then it goes here, UVW map. Click this. Then you need to select gizmo. All right, UVW map. Inside of UVW mapping, you will see this gizmo. Then you can move the texture, all right, toward x-axis, toward y-axis, both. Right, and then you can also enlarge this texture through this scaling tool. You can enlarge to just y-axis or x-axis or both. Okay, so I think this much is enough, right? Then you have to match this grain from up top and side, right? So for that, actually you don't need to make UVW map again for this side panel. You can just copy the UVW mapping source from the top. So select for that. Let's select the top plate. Alright. Then you can just click this UVW map, and then you can drag to the object that you want to apply the UVW mapping. So that's it. Alright. Then in this case you have to change the axis of grain. So let's move like that, 90 degree. Alright, that's it. Then here it's again we need to apply also UVW mapping. So this one should be same as this one. So let's go here, and then you can select the UVW mapping and then click and drag to here. So now you have same side panel, right? Then I think the back side also need UVW map, and click and select this top plate, then copy. Alright, this one also need UVW map, right? So select the top, then copy. Okay, this one looks good. So that's it. Right. Oh, I forgot to apply this inside this empty drawer. So let's apply this material. Then also it needs UVW mapping. Oh, in this case you need to adjust a little bit. Box, then gizmo maybe. That's it, I think. So let's see. Good. And I'm gonna apply the door material. So let's click the editor, material editor, and then let's select the second material slot, and then again I'm gonna select the V-Ray material. So, and then in this case I'm not gonna use the bitmap image. I'm gonna just change the color as white, and then some reflection on the door material. So that's it. And then let's select all of these doors, then apply, assign material to selection. Alright, then we're gonna apply this white plastic material to the fit. Let's select all fits. Oh. Then apply. Okay, cool. Great. Now we have define cabinet.